Take a ride in the 2020 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, trip computer, MP3 player, CD player, bucket seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.